How to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. At the top left corner, you can find your avatar. Click on it. You will land to the profile page. Now at the top right corner, you can find the settings icon. Click on it. Now scroll all the way down. Under support section, you can find the option of I need help. Open this option. Now at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Click on it. Now click on this option of contact us. Submit a request. What can we help you with? You have to select this option, I need help with a Snapchat feature. Now scroll down. What feature is this related to? Click on the option memories. Still need help? Click on yes. Now you have to fill this. Firstly, you have to type in your Snapchat username. Type in your email address that is associated with your Snapchat account. Now over here you have to describe about your problem. You can just describe in the similar way as I have done it. After you fill this, click on the option of submit. You have successfully submitted your request. Now within 24 hours or after a few days, you're gonna receive response from Snapchat support. Until then, you have to wait. So this was all for this video. This way you can easily recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.